Hey guys, welcome to the Asteroid Hunter channel. My name is Mike. We got Brandon behind the camera. Today is the day we're going to do an actual walkthrough of the entire observatory / control center here. It is our garage. We have it totally converted. And today you're going to get to see behind the scenes of the whole setup. I'll go through the actual custom computers that we have built like we have here behind me here. And we'll give you guys kind of the rundown on all the systems. I know you've been waiting for this. We do stream on Sunday nights on Twitch, Asteroid_Hunters, twitch.tv/Asteroid_Hunters. The links will be down below. We also got an Instagram page. And if you like what you see here on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, that like. We are also on the Clear Skies Network on Wednesday nights on Twitch, so you can check us out then. Here's the tour. I hope you enjoy. All right, guys, here it is, the entrance to the garage. Check it out. All right, guys, here it is. We're going to start with the tour. We'll work our way around. We're going to start right here. This is just my work setup that we have. This is a i5-8400, two 1070 Ti cards, 32 gigs of RAM. It's a custom build on a Liam Lee case that we have here. It's sitting on a nice stand that I had around. So this is just kind of a work area that I have. We have a couple of 27-inch, 144 refresh rate screens that we have. Just kind of a work area for me to be able to answer emails and also do any kind of billing that I have with my business. So that's kind of what this section is. As we scoot over this way, we have kind of the heart and soul of our whole area that we have here. 48-port UniFi switch, all custom configured for all the machines that we have. We've got about 10 computers in this garage we have going on. We've got a enterprise-grade router, PF Sense box. My son and I custom built this machine. This is a PF Sense box, enterprise-grade router coming off our modem that's routing all the systems that we have here. Again, as you come through here, everything's on a KVM switch, so I can look at all these computers on here through this one, through this switch, and I can switch back and forth. As you guys see, we have ham radio stuff here. W6PWM is my call sign. And we actually do a lot of Yaesu Fusion. We service the LA repeater room on Yaesu Fusion, and we service the whole northern part of Los Angeles. I got a 30-foot tower in the backyard that's pointed to an antenna or a repeater on top of Oak Mountain in northern Los Angeles. And anybody that connects into this room gets broadcast to everybody around North Los Angeles, as well as really all the way down in Orange County as well, all the way. So I have several radios that are running. We also have a couple of Raspberry Pis that I have set up custom that are running some of the rooms as well. These all run 24 hours a day. If you go down, here's the computer that we custom built for the radio itself for the room. This is also my Unraid server that we have. We have a couple of those. If you guys haven't checked out Unraid, you should. Really inexpensive way to have great storage for anything you have going on. So I've got a couple of Unraid setups that are running about 10 to 14 terabytes each. So we do all of our backups for everything we have. Everything is stored here. And this rack pretty much runs 24 hours a day for us. If we scoot on over here more, we have the Polar Bear 100 set up. And his screens went dark here. I'll refresh him back. But he's got an we love to use those Thermaltake Tower 900 cases. They're like mini fridges. This one was a white case. We custom painted it to match his DePolar Bear channel that he has on Twitch, DePolar Bear 100. You guys can check that out. We'll put a link down below. i7-7820X series processor on here, running 48 gigs of RAM. This is an 8-core processor on an X299 motherboard. It's one of the newer i7s. With a 2080 Super card that he has. He also has some capture cards in there for his external cameras that he runs. He's running 3 screens, 144 hertz, and he's got a 244 hertz screen as well here in the middle for all his gaming. So this is the Polar Bear 100, my son's channel. He's also here monitoring the stream as we're streaming on our normal Twitch channel. If you guys come back around here, we've got this is our editing system that we use, Adobe Premiere. couple of 27-inch screens. This is on a Threadripper. 32 gigs of RAM, just a custom built, small little Threadripper system we have, lots of storage going on. This is what we use to actually edit our videos. If you guys come through here, you see the actual astronomical library. And this is, as many of you have probably seen some of this on our previous streams that we've had. I really like a lot of the history of astronomy, and especially 16th, 17th century astronomers. I've got a lot of books on Kepler and Tycho and all these other guys that are out there. Just love to do a lot of reading on all these guys. So this is kind of my library that I have. I found this on Amazon. You can buy these pretty inexpensively. This is a working telescope, little refractor that we have here, just kind of a classic look. And this is just something I really enjoy having, is the library with lots of books and being able to do some occasional reading. We got a little model of Mars, and of course Pluto. For all you Pluto fans out there, we got the model of Pluto right on. So there it is. This is kind of the library that we have going on here. And this is the one half section of our garage. We have it divided. The other side is actually the streaming section. And I'll show you guys here, but we're gonna make our first stop at the heart of the beast. This is the heart of the Asteroid Hunter channel, the 3900X series. Again, on a Tower 900 chassis. This chassis came in black. We custom painted it. My son and I did. Put the fan controller in. This is a 3900X Ryzen on a 570 motherboard, 2080 super card running 64 gigs of RAM. This thing is a beast, and basically does all the processing that you guys see on the stream. Anything we're running with SkySift, Tycho Tracker, Astrometrica, any of that stuff, it all gets done right here. This is really the heart and soul of everything that we're doing over here for all the processing. I will tell you guys, as many of you know, we're running the QHY 600 camera, full frame sensor. And you guys get into those full frame sensors, the file sizes are huge, and you need a lot of computer to be able to process them. And that's why one of the big reasons why we have this is to be able to accommodate any of the systems that we're running. So I do highly recommend that if you're looking at any of those cameras, which they are awesome, you really look and make sure you got the computer to be able to support it. We got a little custom built music computer down below. That's running 24 hours a day. I got about 1,000 CDs digitized on there. I can access them from anywhere in the house, from any device, so you can play music throughout. So, all right, we'll keep walking around here. This is kind of the heart and soul, the control center. Before we get there, this is the science computer that we have running on a Corsair crystal case here. This is an i7 7700 running a 1060 card in there. This runs 24 hours a day. This is running this screen back here that you guys see on the screen all the time. So this is just chunking away at connecting up to Berkeley for the Boinc, B-O-I-N-C, that you can log into basically, and it'll do any kind of processing of all kinds of data. It's looking at the Milky Way. It's doing asteroid research. Right now it's been doing a lot of work on COVID, and doing a bunch of modeling on proteins and stuff like that for COVID research as well. So our science computer just running 24 hours a day, just helping out there, providing all that horsepower. So you come back around, we've got our security cameras. One of the cameras you guys see on the screen for the actual telescope as well. So that's running. We keep coming through here. This is our weather station that we have set up outside on top of the observatory. That's this data that's coming off of this sitting there. I got the Geochron 4K. If you guys haven't seen this, it shows where the position of the ISS is all the time. This is the streaming PC that we have that's sitting behind me. 3700X Ryzen system, 32 gigs of RAM on a 2060 super card as well. And this basically handles all the streaming that we have. It also controls the 49-inch ultra-wide that is above. And then the red PC that you guys, 3900X, controls the four actually monitors that I have down here below. So I got a little laptop here so I can monitor the stream at times. Our wonderful 8-inch Edge, where it all started for us. Come back here, we've got our workbench, so we can do any kind of work for computer custom builds that we have going on here, and any kind of work we need to do for the telescope and stuff. It's got kind of a workbench area that we have set up for us to be able to just kind of do the stuff we need to do for any kind of the work that we have going on here. So there it is, guys. That's the actual setup. We've got a camera that sits in the back there, which actually Brandon is using right now to film this. And then the other AX33 is sitting there. Sony AX33's 4K camera is what we use for our stream. And have some lighting here in the back. You guys can see this. I got the hue light here. I can control it right from my phone. Watch the back of the 49. Just hit a button, that comes on there. So I can turn those lights on as well and control that right from my phone. And we have all the custom lighting, screensaver kicked on there. So, all right, so there it is. This is the control center. I'm gonna walk you guys out to the observatory. You guys can see that real quick. It's literally right out the door. It's sitting on the other side of this garage door. Right now we have our custom built observatory. Let's go check it out. Here it is. As you guys know, we got the Rouser 14 on the Paramount MX Plus mount. We are going to actually get a pier put in, so we're currently just working on our tripod as we're waiting for the pier to show up. So, but that's our setup that we have here with the QHY 600 camera. Over here I have our custom built machine, a Ryzen 3700X, 32 gigs of RAM with a 2070 card. And we have that set up out here so I can actually do any work out here on the telescope. I can just plug directly into the camera and the mount. And we're running SkyX. Everything is running out here as well. So any work I need to do, I can control it right here from the from this computer. We have the monitor mounted on the wall there just for convenience. So it makes things easier. So that way I'm not like running back and forth inside there, coming back out here. We can just do everything out here we need to if we're doing any kind of troubleshooting, those kind of things. So there it is, roof rolls off, as you guys see on our normal stream. Make sure you check us out on Sunday nights on Twitch, Asteroid_Hunters. We'll leave the link down below. If you haven't joined our Discord, please, as well. We'd love to continue to grow the science community that we have going on here. We really appreciate you guys hanging out, watching the video today. If you like what you see, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. And of course, got to click that like. And we just really appreciate all the support that you guys give us. My son and I we have a blast doing this, and we love taking you along for the ride. So shout out to our friends OPT for the Rouser 14 as well, and to Dustin and all those guys, thank you for everything that you guys do for us. Make sure you guys check us out on Clear Skies as well, on Twitch, Clear Skies Network on Wednesday nights, and we also stream on Sunday nights. All the links will be down below, and we'll also have links down below for all of the equipment that you guys saw today. Thanks, guys, for hanging with us. Enjoy the rest of your day. You guys take care.